Kai ka bang kwa ban on kan ka por ka long ba. Ki pai ba nong snong jong ki jalam me gala. Ka kes ka babun ka long mentah hapo ka Shillong agglomeration area. Tika ka bang kerpat na kaliang jong ka sarkar ka long. Bakitu ki basukwa banwan don kam si Shillong na ki daw la se ki bom da don kam ki basukwa banwan kai lene banwan ye kendu ye ki baying ke basem lene ki lok ye ki jor ki bom don kam ka advice jong ine ka sarkar menta ka long bas ngeu ba ban namwan si Shillong namar ka kes kanang kiu na ka we kasngi sya ka we kasngi kata ka di ka mga kwa ban pentip ban kerpat na kaliang jong ka sarkar bakin skau ba ban kongu ia kene kijing betha jong ni na kaliang ka sarkar khnang bakan like kijing spread jong uneu khnang jing pang uba sirkhei hadu kata kwa banyo thu da ka basyai hang ni kani ka trend kalong ka pasniu hadu kata the increase of the positive cases on daily basis. The report shown that we are leading to a very, very grim situation. So what I wanted to request all the citizens of the state or of friends coming into our state, if possible, please stop your coming into our state, and also our residents who already here in our state, kindly take care yourself very, very well. Unnecessary coming out of your village or your houses, kindly avoid. Avoid the unnecessary coming out, especially to Shillong.